Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a recipe for Mi Goreng Basa. First, prepare 8 fresh shrimp with the shells removed. Make a cut along the back of each shrimp. Next, prepare a fish cake and slice it into pieces. Then take a handful of chisam and cut it into small sections. Prepare 4 cloves of garlic and crush them first. Then chop them into minced garlic. Once everything is chopped, place them on a plate for later use. Next, prepare a pack of yellow noodles and a handful of bean sprouts. Heat oil in a wok. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Add 2 packets of Maggi seasoning to me. Stir fry everything evenly. Add 1 spoonful of sweet soy sauce and 1 spoonful of chili sauce. Add half a spoonful of dark soy sauce and half a spoonful of pepper. Continue to stir fry everything evenly. Add the fresh shrimp and fish cake. Stir fry the shrimp until they change color. Add a bowl of water. Mix everything well. Add the noodles to the wok. Stir fry everything evenly. Fry until the noodles turn golden. Add the chisam and bean sprouts. Quickly stir fry everything evenly and it's ready to serve. The fragrant and delicious Mi Goreng Basa is done. Noodles made this way are fragrant and spicy. The more you eat, the more addictive they are. The method is simple and easy. If you like it, give it a try. If you enjoy my videos, please follow me.